Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Are you creating a value stream map but not sure what elements to include? In this video, we break down every key component you need to build an effective and impactful VSM. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is VSM? Value stream mapping is a powerful tool in lean methodology. It helps you visualize the flow of materials and information. It also identifies bottlenecks and non-value-added activities. To get it right, you must understand the essential elements that make a VSM complete and actionable. Now, we need to know what are the 7 key elements of VSM. 1. Customer requirements. A strong VSM starts with knowing what the customer wants. Define the demand rate, delivery frequency, and quantity. These guide every downstream process. 2. Process steps. Capture each major step in the workflow. Use real data and group steps logically. Avoid generic labels. Every step should add clarity. 3. Information flow. Track how data moves between departments. Use arrows to connect processes. Include tools like ERP systems, emails, or verbal instructions. Information flow is often where hidden delays exist. 4. Material flow. Show how raw materials move from suppliers to finished goods. Indicate transportation modes, inventory levels, and delays. This element shows where waste is hiding in the system. 5. Timeline and lead time bar. At the bottom of the map, show both processing time and waiting time. This helps highlight total lead time versus actual work time. It is a key tool to identify efficiency gaps. 6. Data boxes. Each process step should include data boxes. These contain cycle time, uptime, changeover time, and number of operators. Data boxes make the VSM measurable and real. 7. Kaizen bursts. These are visual indicators of improvement opportunities. Place them where problems exist. They help focus team discussions and continuous improvement efforts. In conclusion, a value stream map is only as useful as its clarity. When these elements are included, your VSM becomes a roadmap for real change. Whether you're in manufacturing or service, these fundamentals apply. If you're ready to master lean tools, subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world. Like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and stay tuned for more practical Lean Six Sigma content. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.